Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. I wanted to share with you, we just got through doing a conversion. You can see up behind there the old link rods in the back there. We've eliminated the airbags with our new airbag elimination kit here. Bolts into where the factory airbag did. It's got a dowel pin that runs down through the center. You can kind of see it up here through the bottom, but it's a really nice billet aluminum piece that we make here. You can actually see the dowel pin there that actually locks in and goes into the factory location, so there's no movement. And then this goes back in the way it was designed. It's got the bump stops back in it. It's got the bump stop out here. We did do a icon rear track bar on this. That was just because the customer requested it. But I'll go around the other side. You can see the dowel pin a little bit better here underneath. You can see the dowel pin up underneath there. But that comes through and locks in. And you can see it's just a super nice kit and nicely installed. But these are going to be available here in the near future. We have a lot of people out there keep asking, hey, I want to eliminate this airbag setup on my truck. And here it is. We have done so on this truck, and it works really, really well. So we'll share more with you, and we'll let you know when we have these available. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.